Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Ledger balance is the recorded amount in your account after all posted transactions are accounted for. It is the bookkeeping total banks use to reconcile accounts. When you make a purchase or deposit, the transaction may be pending and will affect available balance immediately, but will only change the ledger balance once the bank posts it. Banks commonly post transactions nightly, so your ledger balance typically updates once per business day. Use it to verify long-term position rather than instant spending power. Compare ledger balance and available balance before any withdrawal or payment. Available balance shows funds you can spend right now, whereas ledger balance shows posted totals after bank processing. Holds and authorizations, such as a 0 rental hold or a 5 gas pump authorization, reduce available funds immediately, but will only affect the ledger balance when posted. For large payments or transfers, check both balances and recent pending items to prevent overdrafts. Plan around typical posting windows like business days and use ledger balance for reconciliation. Check it weekly against receipts, direct debits, and recurring payments to catch errors or duplicates. When scheduling transfers or bill payments, subtract known pending debits. For example, Schedule A, 200 rent transfer only if your ledger balance minus pending items covers it. If your ledger balance differs from your expected statement amount by more than 5, review recent postings and contact the bank promptly. Document dates, amounts, and merchant names to resolve posting or hold discrepancies efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.